Welcome to this meditation, inspired by Thich Nhat Hanh. He offered a very gentle, simple look at the practice of meditation and mindfulness, one that has touched the lives of so many people over the world. In this meditation, I will guide you to rest your attention on your breath. I'll then share some words shared by Thich Nhat Hanh that will help you to both deepen your connection to both the breath and to the present moment. So let's begin. Take a full, deep breath in and exhale all the breath out of your body. As you start to settle in, see if you can find a place of comfort and ease, one where your spine is straight and aligned, and you feel comfortable yet alert. Drop your shoulders down, away from your ears, soften your jaw and all the tiny muscles around your eyes, and completely relax. Now rest your attention on your breath. And as you breathe in and out of your nose, notice the natural rhythm of your breath, the temperature of the air as it flows in, and how the temperature changes as the air flows out. Observe the tiny pause between your inhale and your exhale. Keep your mind on your breath. Now I will reword each meditation statement twice, and then leave you for a few breaths to repeat it in your own mind. Don't worry if you can't remember the exact words. Just keep focusing on your breath, on your inhales and your exhales. Exhale fully, then inhale. Breathing in, I know I am breathing in. Breathing out, I know I am breathing out. Breathing in, I know I am breathing in. Breathing out, I know I am breathing out. Good, and continue like this, repeating this statement in your mind as you breathe. You will be doing this for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now exhale fully and inhale deeply. The next statements are: breathing in, I notice my in-breath has become deeper. Breathing out, I notice that my out-breath has become slower. Breathing in, I notice my in-breath has become deeper. Breathing out, I notice that my out-breath has become slower. And continue like this, repeating it in your mind for the next couple of minutes. Wonderful. Now exhale fully and inhale deeply. Now say to yourself, breathing out, I feel at ease. Breathing in, I calm myself. Breathing out, I feel at ease. Breathing in, I calm myself. And continue like this for another couple of minutes. Now exhale fully. Then inhale deeply. Now say, breathing in, I smile. Breathing out, I release. Breathing in, I smile. Breathing out, I release. And continue like this for the next couple of minutes. Now exhale fully and inhale deeply. Say this as you breathe. Breathing in, I dwell in the present moment. Breathing out, I feel it is a wonderful moment. Breathing in, I dwell in the present moment. Breathing out, I feel it is a wonderful moment. Continue like this. Wonderful. Take a moment now to tune into the sensations that you have generated through this practice of breathing and watching. Notice the difference in how you feel. And whenever you feel ready, blink your eyes open. This is an amazing practice when you quickly want to shift how you feel. You can also take just one of the statements and repeat it throughout your day whenever you want to connect to the present moment. Have a beautiful day.